la gloria de Valencia.
Okay, Oliver, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Are you ready for your comments?
Yes.
First comment. From Louisiana to Spain, playing most of games, do know, no pain, no gain, train hard and do the best.
No pain, no gain.
Second one. Roses are red, violets are blue, Lafayette dress orange, and it's our pit bull. Third one. Thanks for your effort and your friendliness with all the supporters. Big things will come with your humility and your sacrifice on the court. In you I trust, Oliver. Make it happen. Okay, number 4. Oliver, only an awesome player is able of having a French department store's name after him. And the last one is, dear Oliver, I'm going to skip all the you're the best, love your three-point shoot stuff. Simply tell you, keep being yourself. Now it's your turn. Which one do you like more?
I think I like number 3.
Number 3 is the one, thanks of your effort and your friendliness with all the supporters.
Yes.
So, the winner is Alex. So if you want to tell congratulations to him because he has won your t-shirt.
Thank you, Alex, for making a beautiful piece. And that message really mean a lot to me, the fans and the support. I mean, y'all fans make this happen, so I want to thank you, Alex.